Starting from zero, this is your no-fluff guide to getting your ChatGPT up and running and actually using it to grow your online business or personal use with no tech skills required. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to sign up, navigate, and use ChatGPT like a pro, even if you don't speak tech. By the end, you'll know how to create content, brainstorm ideas, search the web, and even generate images. So get ready because ChatGPT is about ready to become your new sidekick. Let's dive in. Go ahead and open your browser, and first go to the official website, chatgpt.com. This is where all the magic happens. You're going to land on this clean screen. Just hit the login or sign up for free button in the upper right corner. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in here. But if you're new to ChatGPT, click sign up for free to create your account to get your free ChatGPT account started. Now you're going to choose how to sign up. You can use a regular email address or sign in with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Pick what's easiest for you and click continue. Next, you're going to create a password. Make sure it's at least 12 characters long. Enter your email and your new password, then click continue. Now you're going to go check your inbox because ChatGPT is going to send you a verification code to your email you just used. And then you're going to enter the code in here and hit continue. If you don't see that email, go ahead and check your spam or promotions folder. Lastly, they're going to ask you for your name and birth date. This helps OpenAI make sure you meet the age requirements. Once you fill it in, click continue and you're officially in. And once you're logged in for the first time, ChatGPT is going to give you a quick orientation. There's 3 key tips to keep in mind before you start chatting. Tip number 1, ask away. You can use ChatGPT for questions, brainstorming, writing, planning, whatever you need help with. Tip number 2, don't share sensitive information because your chats may be reviewed to improve the tool. So avoid personal information like passwords, financial data, or private client content. Tip number 3, check your facts. While ChatGPT is smart, it's definitely not perfect. So always double check the details, especially if you're using it for business, education, or health-related work. Once you click OK, let's go, you're going to land on the main dashboard. This is your new workspace where all your chats, tools, and image library live. Notice in the top left, you can see what version you're using. If you're on the free plan, you're using GPT 4.0 at the time of this recording, which is fast, smart, and can handle making the best level of images available inside of ChatGPT. You can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for additional more advanced models. Now, take a look on the left. You're going to see your main menu. This is where you're going to be able to start a new chat, search your past conversations, access the library, access Sora, where you're going to be able to create realistic and imaginative videos from text prompts, images, or even existing video clips. And you can also explore GPTs. This sidebar is your home base. Right in the center, you're going to find the Ask Anything box. This is where the magic starts. Type your questions or ideas here, anything from write a caption to help me create a business plan. Below the chat bar, you'll see built-in tools like create image, summarize text, make a plan, analyze data, and more. These tools can help you get more done in less time. Explore each of these tools to see how they work. You're going to see the dictate button right here. Yes, ChatGPT takes voice commands too. The microphone icon dictate feature is one of the best features that ChatGPT has added. Here you're going to be able to naturally speak more fluently instead of typing in your questions. This is especially helpful within the cell phone app when you're on the go or just don't feel like typing. Simply click the microphone icon to dictate your question and your speaker will pick up your voice and you're going to see the text appear in the chat box. Hit the return arrow button and watch the magic happen. Now I want you to click the Tools button to reveal even more superpowers. You'll see options like create an image, search the web, write or code, run deep research, and think for longer. Each of these unlocks a different way ChatGPT can help you. Let's say you want to generate an image. Just click Image and describe what you want. You'll see some example prompts like create an astronaut with an inflatable duck on Mars. Yeah, you can have some fun and create professional content here. Need live info? You can search the web to get real-time results. You can type in anything from trending news to best social media strategy right now, and ChatGPT will pull current data for you. Next is Write or Code, which opens the Canvas feature. This is where longer projects like blog posts, product descriptions, or code work really well, and you'll get some formatting tools in there as well. If you need deeper reasoning or more thoughtful answers, choose Think for Longer using the Reason tool. This is great when you want smarter, more strategic responses, like mapping out a launch plan or comparing business models. Want a full report or breakdown on something complex? Choose Run Deep Research. This is going to tell ChatGPT to dig in and bring you back structured, detailed information. This is perfect for wellness research, market trends, or competitor analysis, things like that. Need help with document or photos? Click the plus icon and choose Add Photos and Files. You can upload anything from an image, a screenshot, a PDF, a Word doc, a spreadsheet, and ChatGPT will read it and help you work with it. You can also connect apps like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. Just click Add from Apps, and you'll be able to pull in your stored content without ever leaving ChatGPT. To properly set up your ChatGPT for the first time and manage your experience, you're going to want to click the profile bubble in the top right. You're going to see a drop-down menu where you're going to have options like Upgrade Plan, Customize ChatGPT, Settings, Keyboard Shortcuts, and Log Out. If you ever get stuck, you'll find help and FAQs right here too. Click the Settings. This is where you can customize your ChatGPT, change your theme, or update your preferences. The Settings is your control center. And from the general settings, you can adjust things like light or dark theme, follow-up suggestions from ChatGPT while chatting, what language you'd like to talk to you in, and access your archived chats. A note about auto-detect language is that ChatGPT will detect if the user language changes during the chat to accommodate. Next, click on Personalization. This is where you can fine-tune how ChatGPT responds to you based on your preferences. At the top, you'll see Custom Instructions. Click that to tell ChatGPT how you want it to act and what it should know about you. Start by giving ChatGPT a nickname for you to make it feel more personal. Then describe what you do. This helps it tailor advice and suggestions to your world. Here's where you can pick up traits that you also want ChatGPT to have. Want it to be more encouraging, witty, straight shooting? You choose. You also can provide anything else that ChatGPT should know about you to provide the best results for you. Scroll down to click the Advanced section. This is where you toggle extra capabilities like web search, voice, code, and Canvas access. Be sure they're turned on the inside settings if you want the full experience available to you during your chat sessions. Back in Personalization, you'll find the Memory section. Here's where you can toggle memory settings. You want ChatGPT to remember details from past chats? Keep this on. If you'd like a clean slate each time, just turn it off. This little pop-up here is your intro to ChatGPT's memory upgrades. Memory lets ChatGPT remember your style, remember your habits, and your business needs over time. You can ask things like, describe me based on our chats, and guess what? It actually will after it has enough chats in there. Enabling reference chat history gives ChatGPT continuity. That means it'll respond with more context, especially helpful if you're building ideas over time. Under the Speech tab, you can select a voice you want ChatGPT to talk back to you when desired, especially handy with a cell phone downloadable app. From Breeze to Ember, test a few and pick the one that you like the most. Inside Data Controls, you can manage your shared links, export your data, and even delete your account if needed. You'll also see the setting to help improve the model for everyone. You can toggle this off if you'd rather not share your data for training. Got custom GPTs to share? The Builder Profile tab lets you verify your identity so you can publish your GPTs to the world. You can also link your LinkedIn, GitHub, or other profiles right here for added visibility. Under the connected apps, you can link services like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. These connections let you upload documents like Google Docs or Word files directly into ChatGPT without having to leave the platform. Want even more integrations? Check the Connectors tab to browse additional apps like Gmail, Google Calendar, Dropbox, and more. Perfect for supercharging your workflow with ChatGPT. Next up, Secure Sign-In. This is where you'll manage any websites or apps that you've signed into using ChatGPT. Once you connect to something, it'll show up here for easy tracking. Your Security tab is home to settings like multi-factor authentication for extra protection and log out of all devices if you ever feel your account might be compromised. Pro tip, enable your multi-factor authentication. It's a smart safety move. Under subscription, if you see that, you're going to find details about your plan. If you're on a ChatGPT Plus plan, you're going to see your renewal date and what's included, like advanced tools, image generation, deep research, and more. If you don't see subscription, that's because you're on the free plan. Now on the sidebar, your library is where all the images you've created live. Once you've generated some visuals with ChatGPT, you'll be able to view, reuse, or organize them right here. Now check out the GPTs tab, which is your gateway to exploring custom versions of ChatGPT. You can search top picks, writing, productivity boosters, and others that are made by other creators for your use for free. You can unlock a whole new level of what ChatGPT can do for you here. Next up, check out Sora in your sidebar menu. This is your creative playground where you can turn text prompts into amazing images and videos, from dreamy clouds to wild cartoons. Sora lets your ideas come alive. This is an example of a Sora image prompt in action. You'll see the original prompt, the stunning result, and a few action buttons like editing it, remixing it, or create a video. It's a fast way to generate or evolve your content visually. Now look at this. Yeah, Sora does videos too. You can explore wild visuals, trending effects, and save videos from your library. Scroll your favorites, remix them, and start fresh with your own ideas. The video feed feels like a mini movie studio in your sidebar. And here's where your Sora images live. This panel works like your creative gallery, organized into media, favorites, uploads, and trash. Click on any visual to see the prompts, remix, or save it to your photos. It's total inspiration central. After you've started generating some chats, they're going to live on your sidebar menu under Chats. This is where your memory, your creativity, and your business building all come together. When you click the three dots on a chat, look at these options. You can share, rename it, archive it, or delete it. These are great for keeping your chats organized, especially if you're experimenting with some custom GPTs or prompt templates. When you're using a custom GPT from the GPT store or one that someone sent you a link for, you can save them in your sidebar. Here's how you do it. At the top of your menu, click on the drop-down arrow at the end of the custom GPT name. Then hit Keep in Sidebar. Once you've pinned the custom GPT, it'll show up right here in your sidebar. Click the three dots to hide it from view if you're done with it and you don't want to use it any longer, or maybe you just want to declutter your space a bit. I will give you a tip. There are a limited number of custom GPTs that can be pinned. As you continue to pin additional ones, it can push out the ones that have been used the least. So best tip is to bookmark all of your custom GPTs that you want to save as you get them, just as you would bookmark a website within your browser. So now you got yourself the full tour of ChatGPT. You got yourself up and running. If this tutorial was helpful to get you started, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. And let me know in the comments what you want ChatGPT to help you with next. Remember, it's not just smart tech. This is your new productivity buddy. So play around with it, have fun, ask questions, make tons of images, and I'll catch you in the next video.